In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a calendar to Hostinger in just 5 minutes. Adding a calendar is a great way to organize your events and share schedules with others seamlessly. Whether you're managing a personal blog, a small business website, or any online platform, integrating a calendar can offer significant benefits. So let's dive right in and see just how easily you can implement this feature. First, you'll want to open your favorite web browser and head over to Hostinger's website. Hostinger is a fantastic service renowned for its speed, simplicity, and affordability in bringing your ideas to life online. Once there, the next step is to log into your account. You'll notice the login option prominently displayed on the homepage. Just click on it and enter your credentials. This ensures you access all of the features and tools available for customizing your website effectively. After logging in, you'll be directed to your account's dashboard, commonly referred to as the H panel. Familiarize yourself with this space, as it's essentially the control center for managing your Hostinger services. From here, the next move is to locate and click on the websites option. This will take you to a detailed view of all the websites you're hosting under your account. It's a good idea to periodically ensure everything is running smoothly here, but for now we're focusing on our specific task. Upon accessing your website details, you'll be looking for the option labeled Add Elements. This feature is particularly useful when you want to customize your site by incorporating various functionalities like buttons, images, and of course calendars. By clicking Add Elements, you're opening the door to a range of possibilities for enhancing your site's capabilities and aesthetic appeal. The next step involves embedding the calendar onto your site, and this can be done through the Embed Code feature. This option is specifically designed to allow third-party integrations like calendars, widgets, or external scripts to be smoothly incorporated into your site's framework. Here's where you'll paste your calendar code, which you'd typically get from your calendar provider, be it Google Calendar, Apple, or any other service. Embedding this code will ensure that your calendar appears directly on your select web page, making it user-friendly and accessible to your audience. And there you have it, a simple yet impactful way to add a calendar to your Hostinger website. With just these few steps, you can keep track of important dates and streamline the way information is shared with others. Remember, adding features like a calendar not only enhances functionality, but also improves the overall user experience on your site. Thanks for watching, and happy hosting.